Okay, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine. Let's start. What do you think is scary?
I think sharks.
Make a sentence.
I think sharks are scary.
Tell me how the boy felt.
He felt amazing.
He felt?
No. He felt it. No. He felt amazing. No.
What did the girl say?
She said the video is interesting.
Again, what did the girl say?
She said the video was interesting.
Make a sentence.
Listen.
Yes.
The exhibit was amazing.
Okay. What do you like to do at the beach?
I like drink something at the beach.
Pay attention. What do you like to do at the beach?
I like drinking something at the beach.
Pay attention one more time. What do you like to do at the beach?
I like drinking. Teacher.
Let's read. From here to here.
Where?
Here.
Okay. Soon they had 49 different kinds of food on the table. John and Carl began to mix everything together in an enormous bowl. But he stopped them. We have got a problem, he said. We have only got 49 things to put in this cake, but the queen wants 15. We need one more thing.
What's this?
50. We need one more thing. The girl took a pear from her pocket and said, "Here, this is from my grandmother's special pear tree. It will make the cake taste really delicious." Harry took the little pear and added it to all the other food in the bowl. "Thank you very much," he said. "Now let's cook this cake." Harry, John and Carl carried the cake carefully to the old cooker. Then they went outside to work in the vegetable garden. The girl waved goodbye and disappeared into the wood that was next to the castle.
Here?
Castle.
Okay, thank you.